How to duplicate apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. From here, choose the app you want to duplicate. Then, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. Find the app you chose from here. Press and hold the app and drag it to your home screen. Place it anywhere you like. And then, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can repeat this step to make as many duplicates of this app as you want. Following these steps, you can easily duplicate apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.